You won't believe the secret language of dolphins. It's like they have their own version of WhatsApp. They use a series of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other, and scientists are still trying to crack the code. It's pretty mind-blowing to think that these intelligent creatures have been chatting with each other for centuries, and we're only just starting to figure out what they're saying. Dolphins use a type of communication called echolocation, which is like a built-in sonar system. They send out high-frequency clicks, and then listen for the echoes to figure out where things are around them. It's like they're using their own version of radar to navigate their surroundings. But they also use these clicks to talk to each other, and that's where things get really interesting. Researchers have found that different dolphin groups have their own unique accents and dialects, just like humans do. They've even identified specific patterns of clicks and whistles that seem to mean specific things, like a particular type of food or a warning call. It's not just dolphins, though. Lots of other animals have their own secret languages, too. Bees use complex dance patterns to communicate with each other about where to find food, and some species of birds have been known to mimic other birds, and even other animals, to get their point across. And then there are elephants, who use a range of rumbles and roars to talk to each other over long distances. They can even produce sounds that are too low for humans to hear, which is pretty cool. These animals are all using different types of communication to convey important information, and it's helping us learn more about their social structures and behaviors. By studying how animals communicate, scientists can gain insights into their habitats, their relationships with each other, and even their problem-solving abilities. It's a fascinating area of research that's still relatively new, and there's a lot we still don't know. One of the most interesting things about animal communication is how different species use different methods to convey the same message. For example, birds use songs and calls to warn other birds of predators, while monkeys use a variety of vocalizations and body language to do the same thing. Even insects like bees use complex dance patterns to communicate with each other about food sources. It's amazing to think that all of these different species have developed their own unique ways of communicating, and yet they're all able to convey the same basic information. As we learn more about animal communication, we're also starting to realize just how intelligent some of these animals are. Take dolphins, for example. They're able to use a variety of clicks and whistles to communicate with each other, and they've even been observed teaching each other new behaviors. Or take elephants, which have been known to use low rumbling sounds to communicate with each other over long distances. These animals are clearly capable of complex thought and problem-solving, and studying their communication methods is helping us understand just how intelligent they are. By studying animal communication, we're not only learning more about the animals themselves, but also about the importance of conservation and protecting their habitats. When we understand how animals communicate, we can better understand how human activities are impacting their behavior and their populations. This knowledge can be used to develop more effective conservation strategies and to help protect these amazing animals and their habitats. So what's next in the world of animal communication? There's still so much to learn, and scientists are working hard to uncover the secrets of animal language. If you're as fascinated by this topic as we are, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be exploring the latest advancements in animal communication research and what they might mean for the future of conservation.